program that will redefine how Aruba connects to the world. And we have already delivered phase 1A, as you see the US check-in area, and now phase 1B, which is the pier on the outside, is well on the way. First of all, this is the largest project that this airport has ever undertaken. And we are now starting the third phase of the project. We have delivered phase 1A, which is the US check-in area. We are about to deliver now, I call it the pier, with 3 more gates plus 3 more bus gates that will increase the capacity of the airport quite a lot. And then today, during this month, we will then start the enabling works for phase 2, which is kind of rebuilding the heart of the terminal. So we are, what can I say, better prepared for a better passenger experience, better products, etc., etc. So the plan is now that we want to deliver phase 1B, which is the new pier with the 3 gates. We are planning and hoping to have it ready for usage already now in December. But it's a very challenging project, so we are putting all of our resources into this one.